In this tutorial, we will walk through the moisture calibration process. Moisture calibrations are performed to accurately monitor and record the moisture of the harvested product. To begin the moisture calibration, you will need to have a harvest event started. You will need to begin harvesting, harvest between 3,000 and 6,000 pounds, then stop. Take several samples from that grain and test the moisture. Average the samples together to get an average moisture for the load. Tap the Moisture button. On the Moisture tab, adjust the moisture up or down to match the load average that was determined with the tester. Our average moisture was 18%. Tap the green checkbox. The moisture is now calibrated. Please note, if you later adjust this moisture calibration number, all previously recorded harvest data for this season will reflect this change. Please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide for more information on harvest calibration. For more information on setup and settings for the In-Command Go display, use this QR code to access the operator's manual. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.